This weekend marks 7 months since the start of the war in Ukraine. And since then, we have told you extensively about the heavy price that the Ukrainians are paying as they fight to gain control from Russian military forces. In fact, people in our area have met the moment at the start of the war to raise the money, the supplies, and the awareness for Ukraine. And that continues this weekend with a very special high-profile event. Joining me now is Sébastien Le Toux, a retired soccer star who spent 6 seasons of his career with the Philadelphia Union. Thank you so much for being here. Sébastien, tell us about the Legends for Peace event that's happening this Saturday.
Yes, it's an event who, has been created with one of my teammates who contacted me, Maurice Edu, who played, for Philadelphia Union for a couple of years with me. But this event, is a kind of a fundraiser created, to help, in Ukraine using soccer. I have a, big soccer event in the Ukrainian soccer club in North Wales on Sunday from 2 to 5 p.m. And, it's a big event, with a lot of, soccer players coming from all around the U.S., national team player, some women's soccer player will be there, and all, Philadelphia Union player like me, try to, help the best way we can, with soccer, try to collect a lot of, gear, soccer gears and everything, shoes, jersey, people can bring everything that day. And at the same time, try to raise as much money as you can to help, in Ukraine for all the people who are in need.
It's such a strong soccer community here of all ages, and obviously the Ukrainian fans, also a huge community here. It's going to be at the Ukrainian Center. So, Sébastien, how did you get involved in this effort? And aside from the event itself, what do you want the fans to take away from it?
I mean, the thing is, it was just a couple of months ago, like everybody, we know what happened in Ukraine. And I just got an email from my ex-teammate, Maurice Edu, who tried to organize a kind of a charity game for Ukraine and try to help, the way we can to help all, those refugees over there and try to raise awareness about helping. And this big community in Philadelphia of Ukrainian, I know a lot of them who have, fan of soccer, of course, because it's a big sport over there. And right. We just kind of came all together very quickly with a lot of soccer players. A game was supposed to happen at Subopa, but it got cancelled just a couple of weeks ago. But now, even if it's cancelled, we are all, kind of getting together to help, with
right.
the United Ukrainian American Relief Committee, who is kind of one of the big charity helping with Global Empowerment Mission as well, and Good 360, who try, to help every day over there to help, every Ukrainian during this war. And kind of this game is just very easy for us to do, and we just want to, have the best impact possible and bring a lot of people and try to help the best way we can.
Sébastien, I'm going to give you a preview to a question that I'm sure you will get all weekend. The Union is in the MLS playoffs next month. Is it difficult to watch from the sidelines during such a successful season for the team?
I mean, of course, when you retire, I feel like you always want to play. I always
Sure.
miss a game, but no, it's really fun to watch. The Philadelphia Union has been a great team since now, a couple of years. This year has been an amazing season. I hope they are not done yet. They can really do something special this season, and it's great to be, a fan of the team, following, working, for the team as a broadcaster. It has been great, commenting all those games, but it's great to see, and we really hope, they keep pushing to get one of the first titles for the team this year.
Sébastien Le Toux from the Philadelphia Union, formerly Philadelphia Union. You have a chance to meet him this weekend. Great opportunity, great cause. Sébastien, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
The Legends for Peace event is Sunday at the Ukrainian American Sports Center in North Wales, Montgomery County. Proceeds go to the United Ukrainian American Relief Committee and many other charities. Once again, you can find this information on our website, NBCPhiladelphia.com or NBC10.com/FindItOn10.